Welcome to Struisbaai.
Struisbaai is a coastal town in the Oeverberg region of the Western Cape province. This town is in the Cape Agulhas local municipality in the Oeverberg district, about 200 kilometers southeast from Cape Town and 4 kilometers from Cape Agulhas, which is the most southern point of the African continent. This is just a drone view of this village, but let's take a drive through and learn some more about Struisbaai. This town is an old fishing village with its beautiful natural harbour. Some developments has taken place since, but then Struisbaai is still relatively untouched by overdevelopment. Many fishermen still reside in the settlement, but it's now better known for its leisurely activities, which includes fishing, horse riding, hiking and diving, and of course a well-known holiday destination. But let's stop for a quick visit to the local caravan park. The Struisbaai Caravan Park is owned and managed by the local municipality. The caravan park offers several campsites on a large open grass area. Unfortunately, there is no trees for any shade. Each campsite has electric points and water taps. The caravan park is situated in the middle of the town with walking distance to the local shops and of course right in front of the beach. The park offers some standard 4 and 6 bedroom cottages as well as some luxury chalets. The ablution facilities is ample, but it lacks some upgrade. Now let's continue with our drive through the village. The exact origin of the name of Struisbaai is uncertain. The various historical stories uncover 3 different origins of the name of the town. The first being accredited to the thatch or strui dakhuisies of the fishermen cottages scattered all along the coast. Another is the ostriches, struisvol in Dutch, that used to call this area their home, while others believe that the name was derived from an old Dutch word meaning huge, given due to the long stretch of beach. This last origin seems more plausible, as Struisbaai holds the longest beach in the southern hemisphere, which stretches a total of 14 kilometers. Time for us to go enjoy the beach. But let's take a stroll and visit the local harbour. The Struisbaai harbour is well known for its fishing boats, and we stood and watched as the fishermen returned to shore with the catch of the day. As we left the jetty, the well-known stingray, Pari, came to the shallow waters to greet the visitors. We continued with a walk on the harbour wall just to see if the fishermen had some more luck from the harbour wall with the catch of the day. But with no luck for any fresh fish, we decided to continue our drive through Struisbaai. We stopped to view the art of a local artist.
Struisbaai houses, original houses, and making these houses is original. The fishermen's houses. And my name is Tapelo. Tapelo Arts, and the one is closed and the doors is closed. There's people inside, my people is sleeping. For Struisbaai, and this one is original houses, the fishermen's houses. It's different houses, Struisbaai and Cape Akalas. Lighthouse, Cape Akalas. And Struisbaai, original houses, the fishermen's house. But this one, no people inside. Struisbaai house, original houses. Amen.
Our final stop was to the local supermarket. It was clear that everything that you might need will be available at the local Pick n Pay. And across the road we found some excellent braaiwood at a very reasonable price. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video and our visit to Struisbaai. If you did, please press that like button and give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos to follow, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.